Introduction to Cloud Computing. Cloud computing is computing based on the internet. In the past, people would run applications or programs from software downloaded on a physical computer or server in their building. Cloud computing allows people to access to the same kinds of applications through the internet. Characteristics of cloud computing. The essential characteristics can be elaborated. On-demand self-service. Users are able to provision cloud computing resources without requiring human interaction, mostly done through a web-based self-service portal. Management console. Broad network access. Cloud computing resources are accessible over the network, supporting heterogeneous client platforms such as mobile devices and workstations. Resource pooling. Service multiple customers from the same physical resources by securely separating the resources on logical level. Rapid elasticity. Resources are provisioned and released on demand and or automated based on triggers or parameters. This will make sure your application will have exactly the capacity it needs at any point of time. Measured service. Resource usage are monitored, measured, and reported, billed transparently based on utilization. In short, pay for use. Advantages of cloud computing. Flexibility. The costs of cloud computing are much more flexible than traditional methods. Disaster recovery. Effective cloud disaster recovery provides continuity for services and the ability to fail over to a second site if there is a hardware or software failure of IT systems. Automatic software updates. Suppliers take care of them for you and roll out regular software updates, including security updates, so you don't have to worry about wasting time maintaining the system yourself. Capital expenditure free. Cloud computing cuts out the high cost of hardware. Increased collaboration. Cloud-based workflow and file-sharing apps help to make updates in real time and gives full visibility of their collaborations. Work from anywhere. Data and applications are available anywhere in the world. Document control. When you make the move to cloud computing, all files are stored centrally and everyone sees one version of the truth. Security. Your cloud hosting provider has built-in resiliency and agility at an infrastructure level to limit the risk of a security breach and will work with you to help address compliance and regulatory requirements. Competitiveness. Moving to the cloud gives access to enterprise-class technology for everyone. Environment friendly. When your cloud needs fluctuate, your server capacity scales up and down to fit. So, you only use the energy you need and you don't leave oversized carbon footprints. This is something close to our hearts, where we try our best to create sustainable solutions with minimal environmental impact. Storing and sharing data or information using cloud computing. Using cloud storage to store files. You might also use cloud storage services to keep copies of important files outside your home as part of a backup solution. This means that in the event of a disaster in your home, example fire, flood, or theft, you still have copies of your data. Using cloud storage to share files. Using cloud storage services means that you and others can access and share files across a range of devices and locations. Files such as photos and videos can sometimes be difficult to email if they are too large or you have a lot of them. Uploading to a cloud storage provider means you can quickly circulate a URL and you can share your files with anyone you choose.